inafikiri kuna kitu ya kukula. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivian. So today I've decided to go for a nature walk at Karura forest. As you can see today the weather is sunny. So I'm not going alone, I'm going with my friends. So come with me. So guys, we just arrived at Karura forest.
Hi guys, my name is Charlene, a YouTuber, and Vivian is my friend. So today we are at Karura forest and we'd like to take you guys along with us.
A monkey. Hey guys, the place is so cool. Right?
Silence is amazing.
Yeah, the place is so cool.
Wow, there's fresh air.
Oh, how are you eating that?
They're so sweet, but it's not like for ushago. This is the soil which the pregnant woman do take.
Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant.
Why are you taking
I'm
it?
saying
Why are you taking
I
it?
just wanted to have a taste. Yeah, because I've already told you this soil does not taste like the ushago soil.
Guys, you can just take soil over here. There's a lot of soil.
Guys, we are going to look for a waterfall in the cave. We don't know where it is, but let's go. This place is so amazing. I guess hapa ni maji.
Oh, niko na bag.
Oh yeah.
Niko na bag, man. Sio pia niko na kitu cha kupa.
Inafikiri kuna kitu ya kukula.
Oh, sina kitu mtu.
Bro hana. Watakuamini.
So guys, before you reach to waterfall, there is a cave here. Wow, this tree is very, 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 very tall. Wow, 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 wow. If you have not come to Karura Forest, guys, you better come. This is my first time to come to Karura Forest, and I just love the place. Guys, I wish this firewood was ushago. My grandmother could have cooked kidheri with it. You see how it is? It has dried very well.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting the wood. The firewood, I mean.
Are you gonna cook with it, Ama?
Yeah, I'm thinking of carrying them and go and cook kidheri.
Why do you look like lost, guys?
You're not lost.
Is it hunger?
Yeah.
They didn't fall, imagine, they didn't fall. Bro, what you doing to fruits in the wild?
Nimekataa kutoka bwana. Hii sijui ni matunda gani.
So guys, as you can see, I've got lost, so we have to do a Google map. so that we can know which way to go. Left, right. We are lost.
Let me show you guys. There's so many ways. There's this route. There's this route. There's this route. Then there's this route. So how was today?
Amazing.
It's so amazing.
There's fresh air,
Mm-hmm.
nice breeze.
Yeah.
Walk.
You guys look
Waterfall.
tired. You guys look tired.
Tired.
We are very, very, very tired. As you can see, tumbo inaitisha kitu.
But anyway, it's nice.
Yeah, it is a nice place today for a nature walk.
So who left his bag here?
I want to appreciate Samsung for a good job. Bidho alituweka hizi seat cause kutoka na huku kote huku unatembea ukipanda mlima mtu anachoka. So I guess walijua the best places za kuweka hizi seat. Yeah, cause kuna a lot of seat hivi around. Place yenye unachoki unapata tu kuna kiti. So guys, what I've come to notice about Karura Forest, it is a clean place. Second, it is a place where people do come to pray, because I've talked to one of them, Zungu lady, and she told me that she came here to pray. So guys, if you want to pray in a quiet place, just come to Karura Forest. 3, it is a place where you come to run. There are a lot of people who are running and jogging, and also unaendesha baiskeli. So guys, you better come and visit the place.
Yeah, ametoa viatu akasikia vile mtu
Just leave the place. So guys, how was your day?
awesome.
Siku nuko fiti. Tumejibamba actually.
Kutembea.
Despite kutembea.
Lol.
Na bado tumefeel njaa by the way. Wow.
Bado sasa kamuka hapa kwa tule kama shiba fiti.
Kwa sababu kutoka kwa hao azunguke tumekula. Bado tumebeat
Chakula.
Nije kule siteka. Lakini kuna place tumeona kuna place kuna cafe.
Yeah, sure.
So wase wanaweza enda cafe. Kwa dish alafu ndio ile bita kuchill.
Yeah.
As we are done with the nature walk, as you can see it is so late, so we're gonna go to town and take some bite. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly go subscribe, hit that notification bell to always see when I post new videos.